GoDaddy email setup tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your GoDaddy and log into it. After that, you will be able to find the option of product on your homepage or your profile. Just simply click on the option of products by clicking on the your name on the top bar. Just go to your products, then scroll down. After that, you will be able to find the option of email and office. Just simply click on it, and if you are doing it for the very first time, then just simply click on the option of set up. This way it will redirect you to a different page, and over there you will be able to find all the domains. Just select any of the domain of your choice that you want to use for the email setup. Select that particular domain and click on continue. After that, it will ask you to enter the email address. There, just type the username that you want to use with the email address in that particular field. After that, provide your name and last name and all sort of details regarding your account, and this way you would be able to set up your email with GoDaddy. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.